Hello, introduce myself. Nukmal Laksmi Swari, NIM 2017 051155. Thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to present my article entitled Impact of Implementation of Accounting Information System on Personal Performance in SME Business in Karangasem. The economic crisis in Indonesia in 1997 led to the collapse of the national economy. The SME sector performance better increases situation, although the effort productivity of SME is still relatively low, then can become the agent of national economic growth. SME are absolutely necessary to maintain the stability of the national economy. Recently, through the implementation of accounting information system based on the research primary observation, it was for the most SME in Karangasem are still legend behind. Likewise, SME work at Karangasem Regency are still unable to cross SME to follow SME in Bali province. There are stick indicators used measure individual performance, namely quantity of rock, quality of rock, time rest, supersure, adverse, and invert of course. The study was conducted on SME Kubu Karangasem Regency, Bali province. The subject of the study is the application of accounting information system as meant to improve individual performance in Karangasem SME. The quantity to be analyzed to determine as follow accounting information system individual performance of SME. First, the validity and reliability tests are carried out. The classic assumption. The data analysis technique as what simple linear regression analysis process using IBM software version 21. To get duration and discussion of a study, have to do some testing to get research data. First, the validity test using the version test to find out the value of error table. Second, test the reliability by using measure instrument measure data. Third, the normality test using the Kolmogorov Smirnov one sample to test whether the radiational variable in the Karangasem model or normality dispute. For dexteroscanicity test used the test whether converging error in the linear regression model has the sum to variant or not. First, system linear regression analysis to determine whether is the influence of accounting information system on individual in performance of SME business actor in Karangasem Regency. And six, the test to partiality test the effect of the independent variable on the independent variable. The conclusion of the study are the study of 13 respondents found the most accounting information system variable were in the excellent category of 15 respondents or 15%. Result their analysis or 13 respondents also showed the individual performance variable domain with 20 respondents or 6.7% being the very good category. The results show the accounting information system have the positive impact of individual performance. Suggestion: business stakeholder, especially SME at Karangasem Regency, should conduct regular training and encourage higher education level for all employees. The choice of information system used by companies must be tailored to the needs of the respective company. Other research interests in this study will continue to study the impact of accounting information system. Thank you.